Come on, dude, we're getting. Let's go. What is this? What size is that?
220. This is 400. Trying to find 300. Cash. Where'd I put the cash in?
So we're getting the 220. I don't know. Marquez says it's good.
Fuck.
What's wrong, Marquez?
I'm gonna have to go buy 300 after.
What did I tell you, dude?
It works for the top coat though. For the top coat, we're gonna use.
What does that look like to me? Scratches. I told this nigga.
For the top coat, and alright, for the bottom coat,
I told this
we're gonna
nigga
use.
to get 320, but he got 220.
No, here's what we're doing, okay? The top, see, it's gonna take more work, take a lot more work with 300. So we're gonna use 200 for the top, and then when we get to with the lower coat,
You're gonna finish it off with 320.
hell yeah. Grab a sheet, motherfucker. What are you doing?
Where are they at? So we basically got to the original primer. God damn it! Just rinsing it off now. Get the fender. There it is.
Show my rim.
Good.
Oh yeah, OEM accurate.
Hurry up, bitch! I'm trying to show this shit. All right, so we basically, I mean, we could sand it down a little bit more, huh? Like it's a little green right here, but right here where Marquez got it, he got the fucking metal, so.
I just did the whole thing, man.
And then it's probably just green like right here and right here.
You're gonna get a belt sander and make the whole thing metal, and then primer it. But that's another day. It's another video.
Yeah, we this is just the start, but expect to see more videos on this. I'm gonna make a playlist on the Integra. Good luck.
Hard shit and the truth, I never guess. I just always flex. Okay, let me show you why I am the apex predator. 10 steps ahead of ya. I already know that I am the top of the class. You already know that your ass got stuck looking at ass. Okay, I already bust these flows like way back when. Never the shit's always off of the top of the head. Yes, you know it never came from a fucking pen or fucking pad. You're mad, you can't contemplate or understand how I get it like that.